We have some sanding sugar. I'm gonna take this beautiful color, frosted blue. Look at how gorgeous that is. Taking our sanding sugar, we're gonna add some of our frosted blue inside of there, and we're gonna mix it in. You think, wow, there's gonna be great sparkles, but I'm gonna make it look even better. We're gonna use the color solution, hydrate it. That frosted blue that's inside of there is actually gonna bind to the sanding sugar. Not only does the color intensify, but it also makes it visually many times more appealing. This gives you a great example of how that sanding sugar now has that beautiful glitter. So when I put this on the cupcake, it's gonna draw a lot of attention and look something special. Taking a 1A piping tip, create a beautiful semi-dome. The next step is taking an offset spatula and smoothing the sides to where they're just covering up any gaps. Smoothing out the icing as cleanly and evenly as possible. There it is. But wait, there's more. We're now gonna take that incredible glittery blue sugar that we made and sprinkle it. It's gonna be the base for the most magical cupcake of the holiday season. I'm taking some more of that frosted blue, sprinkle it on to give it a little bit of a color gradient. Look at that.
Gorgeous.
But wait, there's more.
Oh gosh.
I know. I'm gonna show you a life hack that you're gonna love with the Master Elites. Look at this. I've added 1/8 teaspoon of emerald into the heavy whipped cream. What I'm doing is I'm reconstituting those color crystals and activating them. It is going to make a super intense green that's gonna be added to our buttercream shortly. Now that's an emerald. For the next step, take a full-sized waffle cone and cut it down. Taking a serrated knife, I'm gonna start scoring it slowly all the way around. Once you've scored the line, you start to cut a little deeper and you're slowly release that cone. Now these mini cones are gonna become Christmas trees. Using some of that icing I have, I'm just applying a really thin layer to not only bind the next step where I'm piping icing on, to make sure that if I miss a spot, no cone is gonna be visible underneath. Using a Wilton 18 tip, start off 1/4 of an inch from the base, piping all the way around. And these are gonna look like Christmas tree branches when we're through. It's a lot of piping, so worth it. And don't worry, if everyone isn't exactly perfect, it adds a little character. And that is the emerald green in buttercream.
This is the fun part.
There we go. Finish off the bottom. No Christmas tree is finished without using a little bit of edible glitter. Look at that. That is gorgeous.